What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy TYCENO, and yes sir, I'm back with another video. Today's video gonna be pretty much a little bit of just an update of my streaming setup and just what's going on right now currently. Some of you guys may know, I make content for 2K. I play a little bit of Ghost of Tsushima and other games. Other games of that nature. However, I'm taking this YouTube stuff really serious, man, and I'm really going to the next level with it. I'm talented in a lot of different areas, and I want to show that and express that with a lot of people. So YouTube is another way, another platform for you to do so. At the end of the day, you have to be willing to do something that's going to make you happy, something that's going to make you feel as if, you're completing, your purpose in life and things of that nature. So for me, I know that this is an avenue for me to be expressive, allow me to come out my character a little bit more and into a character that, is what's needed, and a lot of people can relate to and understand pretty much just the general gist of, taking risk. Sometimes people are scared to take risk, and we listen to ourselves mostly and we say, man, I don't know, this is a little bit over my head, but at the end of the day, you just have to go for it, and you have to let everything else just line up the way it's going to line up. You plan, you prioritize, but at the same time, you actually just put energy into it that's positive, put positive people around you, and then at the same time, you have to go for it. You just have to just be relentless. And ultimately, you'll see the best results that way. So, guys, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the ideas of what's going on this channel and pretty much just give you a rundown of what's to come. So stay tuned.